How to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Beyond fees, when choosing the best crypto exchange for your needs, consider things like security, trading volumes, educational resources. If the exchange lists the cryptocurrencies you're interested in buying. Security. As crypto has grown more popular and valuable, it's become a large target for hackers. Leading exchanges like Binance and KuCoin have been hacked, resulting in tens of millions of dollars in losses. While exchanges often reimburse those whose coins are stolen, nobody wants to be in that position in the first place. You can minimize your risk by spreading your crypto purchases across multiple exchanges. Alternatively, make it a habit to move your crypto holdings out of an exchange's default wallet to your own secure. These are storage options that are not connected to the internet, making them nearly impossible to hack. Although you'll need to carefully record your passcode, or you could lose access to your crypto forever. Available coins. Carefully consider the cryptocurrencies available on a given exchange. You might be perfectly fine using a crypto exchange that only trades a few coins. Conversely, if you're a crypto fiend, you may want access to all of the more than 600 available on Gate.io. Trading volume. The availability of coins alone isn't sufficient if there are no trades happening. You'll ideally want to verify that there's sufficient trading volume in your target coins to ensure liquidity, so you can easily trade your coins in dollars. Low volume markets could cost you on sales. If there's not a lot of volume and you put an order in, that's called slippage. You could end up buying at a higher price or selling at a lower price than you'd want. If you're an advanced crypto trader, you may want to make sure your preferred exchange offers the trading types, like limit orders, which can prevent slippage by setting a hard price and margin you want. Remember, trade types involving the latter are still evolving in the US, so different exchanges' offerings may vary over time. Educational resources. If you're just getting started with cryptocurrency, look for an easy-to-use platform with plenty of educational resources to help you understand this complex, rapidly developing market. Accessibility. Finally, don't assume that an exchange is available in your country, or even state, just because you can access its website. Many state and federal governments are still figuring out how exactly they want to treat cryptocurrencies from a legal and tax standpoint.